My vision is to become a thought leader on authenticity. It's my life's work to understand and teach how we can get to the closest version of who we truly are. Why do I mention my vision? Well, when reinventing yourself, I find it helpful to look at what our personal vision, mission, and values are. They give us a clear picture as to what drives us and what we're working towards. Let's start with what a vision actually is. It's a statement that embodies who you are trying to become and be. An exercise to come up with your vision is to think about what it is that you're trying to change in the world. What's the big, audacious goal that will be your life's work? The mission, on the other hand, asks that you describe what action you're taking in the present in order to achieve your vision. An exercise to find your mission is to think about the following questions. What are the goals I'm trying to achieve? What's the legacy I want to leave behind? What do I want to be known for? And lastly, what's my purpose? With these 4 questions, you can formulate a cohesive answer that summarizes your mission in a few sentences. Here's the short version of mine. My mission is to be a guide and to inspire people to live a more authentic life true to themselves. Next are your values. They're important because they underpin all the reinvention and realignment process. It is actually in our values that we communicate our reinvention and show people who we truly are. An exercise I like to do is to find a values list and narrow it down to just 5 words maximum. The selected values should be the things that you just can't live without. Once you have them, write them down and why they're important to you. My values are authenticity, courage, vulnerability, growth, and freedom. Authenticity being the most important one, of course. These are important to me because they represent a way of being that I strive to achieve every day in my personal and professional life. One of the benefits of having these fundamentals in place is that if you're anything like me and can be tempted by new ideas, projects, and opportunities, you can use these as a filter to figure out whether it aligns with what you're working towards. Ask yourself, does this align with my mission, vision, and values? If the answer is yes, then great, go ahead. But if the answer is no, then stay focused on what you're trying to achieve.